Hello, friends. Before we start today, let's review some letters. This letter is H. This letter is G. This letter is K. This letter is I. This letter is J. This letter is L. Great job, friends. All right, friends. Remember, yesterday we talked about how any word that you can say, you can spell using letters of the alphabet. What does this word say? Well, this is A. Remember, A is a letter, our very first letter. A is a letter and it's a word too. Now, what if I add the letter M to the end? Does that still say A? No, now it says am. Well, what if I change the M to a T? Does that say A? No, now it says at. For this word to say A, it can only have the letter A by itself. There, now it says A. Let's look at another word. What does this word say? You're right, this is our sight word had. H-A-D. That spells had. If I change the D to an M, does that still spell had? No, now it says ham. Well, what if I change the M to a T? Does that spell had? No, now it says hat. The letters matter, and if it isn't spelled H-A-D, then it doesn't spell had. There. Now it spells had again. All right, friends, let's do another word. All right, friends, let's spell one last word. What does this say? You're right. This is our new sight word, has. Let me make sure that's sticking correctly. There we go. H-A-S. That spells has. If I change the H to a, what's it? Oh, I know, this letter. If I change the H to a W, does that still spell has? No, now it says was. Oh, what if I put the H back and I just put it at the end? Does that say has? No, now it says wash. If it's not spelled H-A-S, then it won't say has. There, now it says has again. All right, friends. Today, your job is to practice the words has and had. The way you will do that is by drawing a picture of something you had when you were little and something someone in your family has right now. Then you're going to write the words, I had a and blank has a to tell about your picture. Let's do an example. When I was little, I had a... Oh, I know. I had a bottle when I was a baby. So, I can draw Miss G as a baby. And I'm going to draw Miss G, baby Miss G, with her bottle. I'll put some milk in there. And then I'll put my little costume on. There we go. And we'll draw a pacifier. I also had that. So, when I was little, I had a bottle. So, I would write about that. Something my sister has right now is a dog. So I can draw my sister right now. She's all grown up. And I'm going to draw her dog. She actually has two dogs, but I'll just draw one of them right now. So when I write my sentence, and again, friends, you're going to write on the lines in your kindergarten notebook. I might actually need a little bit more lines for this one because actually, in fact, I think I'll need 2 lines because I need to make sure I have enough space. So let's go ahead and make sure I have my 2 lines so I can write about what Miss G had and what my sister has. All right, friends, let's get ready to write. When I write about what I had, I'm going to write I, 2 finger spaces, had, 2 finger spaces, a, and then I'm going to draw, just like our decodable, a little box with a bottle in it. And put a period at the end. So this sentence says, I had a bottle. Right now, my sister, and since if my friends, you might not know how to write that, and that's okay, I'm going to draw a little picture, so the box, with my sister, and then I'm going to put 2 finger spaces, has, 2 finger spaces, a, and the same thing, friends, draw your box, and I'm going to draw the dog in this box. And a period at the end, because that's the end of my idea. So let's read our sentences together. This says, I had a bottle when Miss G was a baby. Right now, my sister has a dog. So again, friends, your job is to draw a picture of something you had when you were little, something that someone in your family has right now, and then to write these words to tell about your picture. Do your best, and I'll see you later.